there are two components in MapReduce. One is mapper and there is, so this map is basically mapper, and then reduce is the job of reducer. Okay, so there are two components, mapper and reducer. Okay, so what mapper does, mapper takes the input record. Okay, so whatever is stored on the disk, it takes that input record. Okay, it extracts the key and value from that record. Okay, what is the key, what is the value. Okay, then it writes the output to the disk. Okay, so the idea in MapReduce is everything, whatever is done, like whatever processing is done, it is saved back to the disk. Okay, nothing is kept in memory. Okay, now the second components comes is MapReduce framework. Okay, in MapReduce framework, it takes the key value pair from the mapper. Okay, it takes that key value, whatever we have stored on the disk. Once that is done, it collects values belonging to the same key. So it's basically aggregating those values which belongs to the same key, and then it again writes the data to the HDFS. Okay, once that is done, the job of reducer comes in. What reducer does, it takes the collection of values and input. Okay, it produces the output, like whatever logic is there. Okay, what kind of evaluation we want to do. Let's say we want to count the number of values. Okay, so you have this key, and against this key you have 5 values, v1, v2, v3, v4, v5. Okay, so if you want to calculate the count, so the count will be 5. So this is handled by the reducer. Okay, once that is done, it is stored back to the HDFS, the file system. Okay, so this is how the MapReduce job execution works.